Welcome to Auto. In this quick guide, I will show you how to download and install Battlefield RedSec on Steam so you can jump into the action and start playing right away.
If you already own Battlefield 6 on Steam, Step 1. Open Steam and go to your library. Step 2. Click on Battlefield 6 in your game list. Step 3. If you see an update button, click it. This update adds RedSec. Step 4. Wait for the update to finish downloading and installing. Step 5. Launch Battlefield 6 after the update. Step 6. On the main menu, select the RedSec mode to start playing. If you do not own Battlefield 6, Step 1. Open the Steam app on your PC and log in. Step 2. Go to the Store tab. Step 3. Type Battlefield RedSec in the search bar. Step 4. Click on Battlefield RedSec from the search results. Step 5. On the game page, click Add to Library or Play Game. It's free. Step 6. Go to your library, find Battlefield RedSec and click Install. Step 7. Wait for the download and installation to finish. Step 8. Launch the game and log in with your EA account to start playing.